Hi, this is Kevin from Naples, Florida, and today we're going to do a quick review and how to set this up and tear it down. It's called a Ameristep Doghouse blind, and we're going to set it up and show you how to pack it up. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is show you how to unpack this. That's the easy part. This thing's going to fly up here real quick. Just take it out of the bag that it comes with, and it's going to spring into action here pretty quick for you. There's about half of it. Now we're going to go ahead and set it up. It's fairly easy. There is a little bit of wind out here, not too much, probably 10 mile an hour on the wind, but it just sets up just like that. It already has a memory and it's ready to go. It's about 5 foot tall and probably 5 foot long and 5 foot wide. But okay, so what's in the bags here are 4 stakes, one for each corner to stake it down. Okay, and then this other bag is your fiberglass poles, and that's how you're gonna get this thing to go a little higher for you. So we're gonna show you how to do that. Okay, so one person can hold it or just take it out of the wind so it doesn't blow around. But we go ahead and open our door here, and we're gonna show you where these things plug in. First of all, you can put them together like that. They have a little string in the middle. It keeps them all together. You just have 2 of these fiberglass rods. Okay, now we're going to go in there and show you where you insert these in the tent. And basically this is just to make it a little taller. And it goes across the top. It'll take it up to about 5'7" tall once we get these on. And there's 2 of them. Okay, we got one in. We're going to put the other together. Okay, now here's your second one. We're going to get that in here. Like I said, I'm holding this tent so it doesn't blow away on us, but if you have a spot that's less windy, it'd be easier. But those fiberglass poles, they're a little stiff. There's a little bit of resistance there, but they will go in as they're intended. Kind of like what you find in a tent nowadays. A lot of the tents have these fiberglass poles. Okay, now we're going to unzipper all the things and show you what this thing will do here. So you'll have plenty of breeze because you got openings on each side. It's up to you which side that you're going to use or not use. You can figure that out. And they got little bug nets over that if you want to leave it zippered up with a bug net. But all in all, you got plenty of openings. Okay, now we're going to put these stakes in the corners. There's a little loop there, and you can just push them in or hammer them in or whatever you want to do. We got one for each corner. That's the first thing we're going to do. Okay, now we're also going to do these ropes that come off each side. And now that we're doing these, I don't have to hold it anymore. It's stable in the wind. It goes just like that. So all in all, you had 7. You used 7 out of the 8 stakes that they gave you. Unless I missed one, I guess they just gave you an extra one, but that's pretty much how it goes. And now we're going to go ahead and zipper up those windows and show you a different angle. We're going to zipper up the big windows now and just leave the little one down like that, because that may be an extra option how you like to have it. And there's your screen. You can have screens for on these windows too. And we got one more screen on the other side. And they just Velcro up. Okay, there's Velcro on the insides of these. And they're just going to Velcro right on there. Like that. Okay, now we're going to show you how to tear this thing down. And we're just going to do everything backwards. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and zipper all of our windows back up. Now before we zipper up this last door, we're going to get in there and remove those fiberglass poles. All right, and these poles are just going to pull out, and the string stays in there. That way the poles are all ready to go for next time. It's just like a regular tent. Okay, and there's your poles. Now we're going to put our poles back in our bag. And then the next thing we're going to do is pull out our stakes that went around the tent, the blind. Like I said, you should have 7 of them. You're going to pull out there and pack those back up so you don't lose them, and have them ready for next time. All right, make sure you got all those, put them back in your bag. All right, now your tent could blow around so somebody could hold it for you. Now we're going to zipper up the door, and we're ready to fold this thing back up. Okay, next thing we're going to do is bend this thing in, and we're going to put it back to the flat mode like we had it. All right, so you bend that over, and it goes flat like this. The next thing you're going to do is grab it like this. Your thumbs are underneath, your fingers are on top, and you're going to fold that thing in. All right, it's going to fold like a half moon like that. All right, so folded it down like a half moon. You're going to take your left hand and spin it like this. Okay, then take your right hand and push that over on top like that. And your left hand grabs the other side and mashes it down like this. And at this point, it's going to be ready to go back into the bag. Okay, now you're ready to shove this thing back into the bag. Okay, and you are all set and ready to go for the next time. Now, it might take you a few tries to get that system down. It did us the first time or two, but that's the basics of folding this thing in. And then the next time you want to go, it's just going to come back out the same way. Okay, and the nice thing is too, you got a little backpack straps right here, so you can help carry it through the woods. Okay, so there you have it. That's a review and how to set her up and tear it down. And we're going to have a lot more hunting accessories coming out. We're going to start a new playlist all about hunting accessories. So this blind's going to be the first one. If you guys want to like it, that'd be great. If you want to subscribe, and that would be great too.